Home Remedies presents How to use apple cider vinegar to dissolve kidney stones. Kidney stones develop when dissolved minerals build up inside the kidneys. A low fluid consumption, dietary factors, and a person's medical history may contribute to their development. Without treatment, kidney stones can lead to urinary problems, infections, and kidney damage. By far the quickest and most simple way to effectively remove kidney stones is to use apple cider vinegar. So in today's video, I will share with you a very easy to make remedy to flush out kidney stones naturally. This remedy also actively keeps your urinary tract clean and healthy. Let's see how to make it. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 16 ounces of water. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together. Drink 8 oz of this mixture in the morning and the remaining 8 oz in the evening. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.